Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Begin by parking the Fiesta on level ground and setting the parking brake. Disconnect the negative battery terminal before you touch the cooling system. Allow the engine to cool for at least 30 minutes before starting work to avoid burns. Put on safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes. Gather an 8mm and 10mm socket, a flat screwdriver, and the new radiator fan assembly before you start. Open the bonnet and remove the plastic engine cover if present to clear access. Remove the plastic shroud by loosening 3 10mm bolts and 2 plastic clips using your sockets and screwdriver. Carefully unclip any wiring harness fasteners that route over the shroud to prevent damage. Unplug the electrical connector and label it if needed for reinstallation to avoid confusion. Support the fan assembly and remove it from the radiator by lifting straight up and out. Position the new radiator fan assembly onto the radiator, aligning the mounting holes carefully. Seat the new fan assembly onto the radiator and secure it with the original bolts and any plastic clips removed earlier. Reattach any wiring harness fasteners to prevent chafing during operation. Reconnect the electrical connector and then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the engine and verify the fan operates when the coolant reaches its normal operating range.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.